See here in this problem, here for a function f of t, the Laplace transform is given as f of s is equal to 5 by s into s square plus 3s plus 2. So, but here we want the initial value for the function f of t. So, according to the initial value theorem in Laplace transforms, we know that limit t tends to 0 f of t equal to limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. Okay. Now substitute here f of s in this function, then you get the initial value for f of t. So limit s tends to infinity s into, so f of s is 5 by s into s square plus 3s plus 2. Here s will going to cancel, so then it becomes limit s tends to infinity. So bring here s square is common, so then it becomes 5 by s square divided by 1 plus 3 by s plus 2 by s square. Now substitute s tends to infinity here. So 5 by infinity means 0, 0 by 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 0 by 1 means 0. So from the options, option D is the correct option. So this is the initial value for the given function f of t.